Good morning, class. So, before we proceed to our discussion, may I know kung sino ang mga absent ngayon? Okay, kung wala, let's proceed to our lesson. Our topic for today is parallelepiped and how to solve for its surface area and its volume. But before we officially proceed to our lesson, let's have first a warm-up activity. So in this activity, kailangan nyong hanapin ang perimeter and area of a parallelogram. Bawat item na aking ipapakita ay meron lamang kayong 45 seconds upang mag-solve. Kung sino man ang makakuha ng perfect score sa activity na ito ay magkakaroon or magagantimpalaan ng additional 5 points sa ating quiz. Okay ba? So, bring out a sheet of paper and ball pen. Okay? Ready na bang lahat? Okay, let's start. First item. No using of calculator, ah. Next. Next. Okay, time's up. Exchange papers, class. Bawal pong mag-cheat. So, ito ang mga sagot sa bawat item. Okay, I will collect those papers later after the discussion. At ililista ko lahat ng mga nakakuha ng perfect perfect scores at may additional points sa ating quiz. So, ang activity na ating ginawa or inyong ginawa ay connected sa ating topic ngayon, which is the parallelepiped. So, without further ado, let's proceed to our topic. Sino sa inyo ang may idea about parallelepiped? Yes, Mr. Yabis. Very good. Thank you, Mr. Yabis. So, ano nga ba ang parallelepiped? Parallelepiped. A parallelepiped is a three-dimensional shape with 6 faces that are all in the shape of a parallelogram. So, connected nga yung activity na ginawa natin kanina. It has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Cube, cuboid, and rhomboid are all special cases of a parallelepiped. A cube is a parallelepiped whose all sides are square-shaped. Similarly, a cuboid and a rhomboid are parallelepipes with rectangle and rhombus-shaped faces respectively. So, yun ang parallelepiped. Let me show you a picture of a parallelepiped. So, yan. Ayan ang kanyang itsura. Sabi niya dito, 3-dimensional shape with 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 12 edges. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So, yan ang parallelepiped. Now, let's proceed on to the surface area of a parallelepiped. So, ang surface area ng parallelepiped ay merong dalawang type. Ang lateral surface area or LSA and total surface area or ang TSA. Lateral surface area. It is defined as the area of a lateral or side faces of a parallelepiped. To calculate the LSA of a parallelepiped, we need to find the sum of the area covered by the 4 side faces. So, ang LSA, sabi niya na side faces of a parallelogram. So, ito siya. Yung dito sa side niya. Yun ang lateral surface area. Dito lang sa side niya. Ito. Next, total surface area or TSA. The area of all the faces of a parallelepiped. To calculate the TSA of parallelepiped, we need to find the sum of the area covered by the 6 faces. So, kung yung LSA ay dito lang sa side or yung 4 faces dito sa side, ang total surface area naman ay lahat ng 6 faces. Kabilang na yung base at yung sa taas na base or yung upper base. So, let's proceed to the formula on how to solve for the surface area. First, the lateral surface area or LSA. Ang kanyang formula, P times H. P or the perimeter and H for the height. So, simple as that. Perimeter times height at makukuha mo na ang lateral surface area. Sample problem. So, subukan natin i-apply ang formula sa isang problem. Sabi dito, if the rectangular base face of a parallel pipe has opposite sides measuring 6 inches and 10 inches and its height is 7 inches, find the lateral surface area of the parallel pipe. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 1 minute at subukan yung sagutan ang sample problem nito gamit ang formula ng lateral surface area, which is perimeter times height. Okay, 1 minute lang, class. Okay, time's up. So, sinong makakapagbigay ng sagot sa problem na ito? Yes, Miss Leonardo. Okay, very good, Miss Leonardo. The answer is 224 square inches. So, paano nakuha ang 224 inch or square inches? Balik tayo sa ating problem. So, makikita dito, sorry for the drawing, pero di ako magaling mag-drawing. So, nag-draw ako dito ng parallel pipe. And, subukan nating sagutan or i-apply ang formula. Sabi niya, a parallel pipe has opposite sides measuring 6 inches and 10 inches sa kanyang base. So, dito 6, dito 10. And its height is 7 inches. So, kanyang height ay 7 inches. At ang formula natin ay P times H. So, paano nga ba kunin ang perimeter ng base? Simple. 2 times the width, 6, times the other side, plus the other side is 10. Then, multiplied by the height, which is 7. So, 6 plus 10, 16, 5 by 2 times 7. 2 times 16, 32, times 7 is equal to 4. 21 plus 1, 20. 224 square inches. So, yan. Ganyan lang kadali ang pagkuha ng LSA or ang lateral surface area. So, let's proceed to the total surface area. Kanyang formula, LSA times or plus 2 times B. So, ano nga itong B? B stands for the base area or ang area ng ating base. So, applying the formula, try to answer the sample question or the sample problem. Same problem but iba yung dapat kunin. Ang dapat kunin ngayon ay ang total surface area. So, bigyan ko ulit kayo ng 1 minute and try to answer this. Applying the formula, LSA or the lateral surface area plus 2 times the base area. Okay, time's up. Sino makapagbibigay sa akin ng answer? Yes, Mr. Santiago. Okay, tama. The answer is 344 square inches. So, paano nakuha yun? Subukan natin gawin sa ating blackboard. So, ang kanyang formula, LSA times 2 times B. So, nakuha na natin kanina ang LSA which is 224 square inches. Ngayon, ang dapat na lang natin kunin ang kanyang base area. Ano ulit ang formula for base area? Width times length. So, 6 times 10. So, kanyang B ay 6 times 10 which is 60. Ayon sa formula, ang sabi, LSA plus 2 times B. So, i-multiply pa natin yung 60 sa dalawa. 2 times 60 is equal to 120. Then next, sabi niya, LSA plus 2 times B. So, yung LSA natin, which is 224 plus ang ating base area multiplied by 2, which is 120. Ang sagot, 344. Yan. So, ganun lang siya kadali. So, tapos na tayo sa ating surface area. Let's proceed to the volume. Sino ang makapagbibigay ng definition ng volume? Yes, Miss Ritawa. Okay, thank you. Volume. Volume is a measure of how much space an object takes up. So, kung ano yung makakarga ng ating parallel pipe. base times height. Simple, di ba? So, kung simple nga ang ating formula, try to apply this formula with the same question or sample problem na binigay ko kanina. If the rectangular face of a parallel pipe has opposite sides measuring 6 inches and 10 inches and its height is 7 inches, find the volume of the parallel pipe. So applying the formula for volume, I'll give you 1 minute to answer this question. So base times height lang siya. One minute. Okay, time's up. Sino makapagbigay sa akin ng answer for the volume? Yes, Miss Cabrera. Okay, tama. The answer is 420 cubic inches. So, lagi natin tandaan na kapag volume ang hinahanap, laging nasa cubic or cube ang ating unit. So, paano nakuha itong 420 cubic inches? Applying the formula, let's try to get the answer. Sabi, base times height. So, given ang height which is 7. Volume equal to base times height. Base. Nakuha na natin ang base kanina. Width times length. Then times 6, which is 60. Times, given ang height, which is 7. The answer, 0, 4, 12 cubic inches. So, ganyan lang kadali ang pagkuha ng volume. Basta alam nyo ang tulad ng warm activity natin kanina, basta alam nyo ang formula ng pagkuha ng area and perimeter ng parallelogram, ng isang parallelogram, makukuha at makukuha nyo ang surface area at ng volume ng isang parallel pipe. So, ano nga ba ang ano nga ba ang importance ng ating topic sa ating buhay ngayon? Ba't kailangan pa natin makuha ang volume or ang surface area ng isang parallel pipe? Tandaan, ang parallel pipe ay napakarami. Kunyari, kung papatayo ka ng bahay, kung ang balak mong bahay ay kwadrado, siyempre, kailangan mo makuha ang surface area or ang volume o kayang sakupin ng iyong bahay. Or kunwari, kung bibigay ka ng isang regalo sa inyong mahal na buhay, sa buhay, kung box, ganun, di ba? Bibili kayo ng cover. Siyempre, kailangan nyo kung gaano kahaba o gaano kalaki yung cover na kailangan nyo bilhin para sa kanyang surface area. So, let's mag-review naman tayo sa mga napag-aralan natin ngayon. What is a parallel pipe? Anyone from the class? So magre-review lang po tayo kung ano man ang pag-aralan natin kanina. What is a parallel pipe? Yes, Miss Ramoran. Okay, thank you. Very good. Next, what does LSA stands for? Anyone from the class? Yes, Miss Litawa. Okay, very good. Now, what does TSA stands for? Yes, Mr. Salas. Okay, very good. Ngayon, nakapag-review na tayo at alam nyo na ang parallel pipe, kung paano kunin ang surface area at ang volume ng isang parallel pipe. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa ating activity. Give the LSA, TSA, and volume of a parallel pipe with opposite sides of 20 meters and 35 meters and a height of 15 meters. So yan ang activity natin ngayon. Bibigyan ko lang naman ng 5 minutes. Okay, time's up. Pass your papers forward. Check ko ang inyong mga answers mamaya. And I will record it. Now for your assignment. Give the LSA, TSA, and volume of a parallel pipe with opposite sides of 125 centimeters and 355.5 centimeters and the height of 1 meter. So, copy with your assignment.